Hello YouTube and welcome back to another video. Today's video is functions and modules. So let's start with functions. Now functions are things that you can refer to. So the way that you start a module is by putting def, then you put the name of the module. So I'm just gonna call the function. So how you start a function is by putting def. Now how you start a function, put func. Let's put function. Then after making the name, put two parentheses, and then put a colon. And now you can put anything in it. So let's just make the function say let's just do something where we'll do x is equal to let's do x is equal to vent input what age are you, and then we'll just print print x. So what this does is take away that indent, otherwise it won't end it. What this function does is you can refer back to it at any point. So if I was to making a function wouldn't run it, it would just save it as a function. So if I was to run it, if I go down here, you'll see nothing happens and it just ends the code. Though if I was to do something which said function, if I was to do, did I put function? I'll put function. So that does that. Now if we were to run it, it'll say what age are you. Let's just put 5. So let's see, it works. That was probably not pleasant to watch. So a function is something that you can refer back to at any time. So if I was to save this function, what did I just do? Right, so if I do this, now I'll go into this module one. So say you have a function that in a different file that you didn't want to lose. There's a nifty little thing where you can do import. Now then you want to put the name of the file. So if I was to go up here, I pasted what was in YouTube into module, and now if I was to import the name of it, so module, it would say okay, we can use anything from module, but so you'd think we'd be able to do function, but we won't be able to do function, because even though we can use anything from module, we can't use function, because you could have a bunch of files which are importing, and they could all have something they could all have a function called function. So that's why you have to specify where you're getting it from. So module dot function. So if we were to do that now, so if I was to go down here, it is still in module. If I was to run it, it would do the exact same thing, even though we're in the YouTube file. So that's how you import your own made modules. Now what a lot of people do is they just import anything from anywhere. But what I find easy is making making a whole program just for modules, and it's filled with functions which are really useful that you could use again and again and again. So that's a really good idea. So pile every single module into a file called module, because it doesn't only go down to there, because you can go a lot further than just there. Now, because we have time, I'm going to show you how to import your own modules. Okay, so this is a full screen now, and you want to go to File, Settings, and depending on what type of PyCharm you have, hopefully you have 4.04, but you want to go to Project, you want to go to your own project, and in Project Settings it has Project Interpreter. Now what you can do is you can add modules that other people have made. So I could find any module inside here, because there is a lot of modules and lots of them are really useful. So if I was to go into this module, if I was to look for a function called Pygame, and by the way, Pygame is, if you're ever going to do Python, if you're going to make games with Python, then you would know what Pygame is going to be. So you can also search it up right here. So if I search up Pygame, it has all of these Pygame things that you can do. So Pygame UI, SGE Pygame, and you can use all of these in a game. So how you get a module is just click this, get package, and then when you get the package, it will go to this screen, and all of your packages will be here. Now the two modules that I recommend you get is requests and beautiful soup. Pip and setup tools will be there already, because as you can see, they're just there already. So that's all you need to know about importing your own modules. So I guess that's about it for this video, and thanks for watching. Goodbye. I also forgot to mention, after that quick pause, a lot of people may be wondering, how do you run your files? You either go up to here, where you can test it out inside here, or you can go here. Or if you want the long way, you can right click and click run module, or go into this top folder and click run. I don't know why I keep on saying run module, but that's how. And also, lots of people wonder how you clear this screen. Just click that little trash bin. So again, that is it for this video. Thanks for watching. Goodbye.